Hello my friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. So yeah, I have Halloween stuff from the Dollar Tree. I think in my last video I said I'm not gonna buy that much stuff from the Dollar Tree, and then here you go. I just can't help myself. The stuff is so cute, and it just like inspires me. I'm like, oh, I could put that there, and I can do that with that, and then I could put that over there, and oh, I can use this for that. Like, so I don't have any idea. I'm probably not going to have anybody over this holiday, but that doesn't mean that I won't have people over in future holidays, so I can use it next time. So let's go ahead and jump in. I'm going to show you the fall items first, and then we'll go through Halloween. Okay, so I picked up the stencil, Thankful and Blessed, and then it says Trick or Treat on the other side. I love that it has both Halloween and fall, so really cute. Love that. I picked up a couple of these fall bouquets with the cotton, and the little willows wreaths, and the little pine cones. Picked up a couple of those. I don't really know what I'm going to do with them, but I think this looks really good. The cotton is really good quality. Very realistic looking to me. So I was happy with that. Those. I found one of these, Be Grateful. I think this is the new one from this year. I don't think I have this one. So I'm glad to find that. And then I picked up one of these. This right here is amazing to me that this is a book. These at Hobby Lobby, at least like $4 at Hobby Lobby. And this is a good size. I mean, it's more than 12 inches. And yeah, so again, not 100% sure what I'm going to do with this, but I had to get that. And then I picked up this little bucket. I thought I could put like silverware and stuff in here if I do when I do have people over eventually. I could put like silverware or napkins or something in here. And then I love this one, these little happy fall. I love these boxes. I think they're so cute. Oh, I didn't realize that the middle one had glitter on it. They all, oh, maybe this one has glitter. Oh yeah, that has glitter. So it's really cute, and I just went ahead and got a set of all 4 of them for all the different sizes. Love this style of box. I think it's really super cute. I love the burgundy ribbon too. Okay, so I found this really cool LED projector lights, and it's of a scene of a witch and like bats and stuff. AAA batteries. I'm pretty sure I have some AAAs. Yeah, I'm interested to see if how this works. I don't have really high hopes for it, but I mean, for $1, thought I would try it. I found these cute little jars. I thought these were nice, you know, pick your poison and death by candy. I thought that was cute. And then I bought some of these bones. I have a like witches theme kind of thing, like with the apothecary table and with a bunch of stuff. And one thing I was missing last year was like just some bones kind of laying around the table. So I was really happy to find these. And what I'll do with these is I'll take some chalkboard paint and do like a rub on them so that they kind of dirty them up a little bit. So I will using those in my table. I found this little skeleton candle, orange. I think they also had like a black one, but I liked the orange. And it's not scented, so it's just regular scents. And then I found these boxes. And this is basically what kind of kicked off the whole let's just buy everything, because I found these boxes. And I'm not exactly sure why I'm so obsessed with these boxes, but you know, they look like books. I don't know, I just like them. So there's the Love Poison, the Tales of Halloween, a little spider one, this is Scary Stories, and then this little witches spell book. Found these. I didn't pick these up last year. I didn't ever find them, so I was super excited to find them this year. So I have 2 of those, and then I went ahead and picked up this little witches thing. It's the kind that, you know, lights up and it's motion sensitive, so I thought I could put that outside in my little porch area. I picked up a couple of scarves, and when I use the scarves, typically I use them to decorate with, actually. So I'll put them over stuff that doesn't match, because sometimes I try to, you know, elevate things and make it, you know, kind of give it depth. So I'll put like a tissue box down and then stack stuff on top of it. So if you have these scarves, and you can kind of lay them over and it kind of covers it up. And then I also bought the one that has the witches hats on it. So I bought 2 of the orange ones and then one of the witches hats. I got these little Happy Halloween type things. Again, if people come over, I could put like bags of chips in here and snacks and stuff, and then they can just grab it and kind of go and eat as they want. And then I also purchased some of these little cauldrons that say Happy Halloween. There's 4-pack, and you know, this is a great little grab and go snack bowl. You can just grab and then pick snacks and put your snacks in here, and then, you know, so I picked up enough of those to have for if and when people do come over. Picked up a couple of signs. I couldn't help myself. I kept going and not buying this big huge sign that you can't see, but I couldn't help myself. I just had to go ahead and get it. I just think I have a space right outside my door. I think it would look cute. So I was trying not to buy it, but I went ahead and bought it. And then the same with this one. Friends gather here. Again, probably not this year, but maybe sometime soon. And then this one has glitter fall out like crazy. Look how cute this is. It's got 3 little pumpkins stacked on top of each other. It's so cute. I love all the faces are different and stuff. So stinking cute. And then it's like the witches theme. Love that. And then this one actually looks like I've got a little boo-boo here. I'll have to glue that down. But look how cute that one is. Like, come on, Dollar Tree. What are you doing to me? It's so cute. The cat is so cute. I can't help myself. And then the Wicked sign. I'm going to probably just paint this like with a chalkboard paint. Yeah, I like this. I think that's really cool. And then I also picked up this one. Welcome My Pretties. I love this one. Little 3-tiered one. Very cute. And then I picked up the metal words Haunted, Spooky, and Beware. So I think that's everything. Yeah. So much for me not buying anything for Halloween, but yeah, you know, it's all fun. It's all fun. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you again real soon. Bye for now.